Well, hello YouTube channel, it's Belmont here. And today we're going to do something a little different. This is for Fastidious lockpicker. You're going to call this the Fastidious hook selection video. And I was in contact with him yesterday, responding to a comment where he asked about what hooks should he get. So I decided to go through my catalog and look at every hook I actually had in all my pick sets and put them out on display so he can actually see everything. So I'm going to start at the top. This nice little hook is in my Incognito Sparrows Chaos card. So right there. And that's at 25 thousandths of the inch. Here's the Jimmy Longs that I'm pretty sure people have longed to see. And he has those in 19 thousandths and 23 thousandths. These are from the Ranger set, since I do have two of them. They are in fact both the same size. This is from my Clom set, the 30-piece. And these two hooks are from my EOD Light with everything else slammed together in it. And we got a assortment of hooks from my Secure Pro set. It has two different sets in it. These are from my Southford, the MPX S20. And this lone one here, really thin. It's from BPXS12. And these Chinese ones are from my Yi Hong sets that I split up. I'll let you get a good close look at the profiles here. So never let it be said that I don't help out the community or a polite channel in need. I did run into one who thought he was going to be a troll. And I'm not going to name names because he tried to troll on Facebook using friend requests without sending a message first. And when I called him out on that and he decided he wanted to talk crap and I shut him down, he decided to use 3 of his personal associates to also be trolls. So he was very much a kind of a special ed who sucks and may or may not be named Brett or Ven But either way, very childish. Now, I'm a nice enough person, but if you're going to try and send me a friend request, which I don't object to, have the decency to at least message first. And then we have a conversation. It's just that simple. Little common courtesy, which we're all supposed to have. So, get one last look coming down the line. All these profiles. All right, so I hope you folks enjoyed this video. I hope Fastidious did as well. And this is Belmont, as always, saying, stick around.